How to fix screen monitor turn on Samsung A08. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click on hot side power button and volume down button at that time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on continue, click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so if you want to fix this problem, so last solution is factory data reset. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management, click on reset and factory data reset. Enter phone pin, click on continue and click on delete all. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.